Okay, family, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're gonna do a little greenhouse put together. We had to order something for the citrus trees because we can't lose the citrus trees because of the coldness. So that's what it's gonna look like, and then we're gonna figure out how to make it more heavier. So when the high winds and the snow come, it'll last. Okay. So we're gonna jump right on into this video. You guys make sure you thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Stay tuned. Okay, so me and the kids got out here earlier and moved everything out the way. So we supposed to have already cleaned this thing off, but I guess we'll get to that. But right now they getting the stuff out the box. But look what we have, guys. A little sneak peek. I'm going to do a little reel. I just can't wait till we have lots of them. Look how yellow and beautiful it is. And the grapefruits are ready. I'm going to have to get out here and get these grapefruits off here. We took 2 off already, but you know, flower beds have been cleaned out and replenished with nutrients and minerals. So they ready for the little seedlings in the house. Everything is moving right along. It's a beautiful evening. Y'all, it was every bit of 95 degrees today. My little sinuses all total pieces. It came with gloves? Shit, for the price. Okay, so the price for y'all was like $250.
$279.98.
Well, baby said $279.98. And it is a 20 by 10. So that's a good size for the trees and whatever else we want to overwinter or whatnot. But we had to do something, y'all. We really did. You just can't do nothing. I mean, if we let them go below a certain temperature, because each one of them temperature, what you call it? I told y'all my sinus is messed up, so bear with me. They hardiness temperature, which is the temperature that it can go down to, like the coldest temperature that they can stand before they die, are all different, but they still, pretty decent temperatures, but it get colder than they're here. Like, look back at some of my little ice storm videos and whatnot. But eventually we'll be able to afford one of them glass ones. But that's probably when we get some land, y'all. So keep us in your prayers and just stay tuned, family. Okay, family, your girl's still down for the count, but they putting it together. I'm so proud of them. Everything looks beautiful. Just a little quick check-in on this greenhouse for the citrus. And look at the citrus, y'all. Everything is ripe and ready to be eaten. Next year is going to be so fruitful. We are totally blessed. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay. Big Daddy is finally finished with the greenhouse. Look at the kids over there mixing the compost. Mariana said, hey, y'all. But yes, and we got everything in. So what I'm going to do is just a little experiment to see how much heat it holds. It's been raining like crazy. So right now we are at, focus. 69 humidity. Well, since I touched it, 72 degrees. So I'm going to stick it in and I'm going to see how warm it is in the inside. So stay tuned. I'm just doing little clips for y'all because your girl's still down. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Okay, so we finna check the thermometer and see what it is in the inside. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes. So we at 76 and 75. That ain't bad. I think I'm gonna open some windows up. But this is what it looked like so far, y'all. Got a lemon. Got more lemons coming too, y'all. But, and I need to prune these pepper plants. But yep, it's doing its job, gang. And it was just over a 10-minute mark. 5 to 10 minutes. But it's hot in here. I'm already sweating, so I get back shortly. This is day 2 of the greenhouse setup. And it is 37 degrees this morning. Windy. It is cold, y'all. Like super duper cold. It's 37 degrees. It feels like it's 30 degrees. But I just want to show you guys what the thermometer says on the inside of the greenhouse. I'm going to have to give this greenhouse a thumbs up. We are going to do some reinforcements on the inside at the top because we do get snow. But back on topic, this is the inside. See if I can get it to focus. It's so warm in here, y'all. Okay, it's not focusing good. But it is 50% humidity. And it is 97 degrees in here. The highest it's been in here is 108. I hope y'all can see it. It's 97 degrees in here, y'all. And it's 37 degrees outside. And they just issued a cold front for, it was quite a few cities on there. Cities or states on there I saw on the news day before yesterday. So I was coming on in. But y'all, this greenhouse, it's a plus. And like I said, we will be doing some reinforcement for the top because we do get, you know, snow. But everything is flourishing inside of here. So I think it was well worth the money. And I got the door open. And it's 95 degrees now. But I just wanted to check in and let you guys know how it's going with the greenhouse. I have to prune down my peppers for the winter. But everything looks good, y'all. Looks so good. But yes, that's a plus. From 37 outside to 90 something inside. Yes. And it's sitting in full sun. The sun beaming right there. So it's a win-win, guys. I am really, really loving the greenhouse. I came out here to open one of the vents up just to get a little fresh air inside. And I said, why not, you know, show the family that this thing is worth it. And this is the brand again, guys. The reviews were pretty good. Like once you get it to the point that you get it stable, it's pretty good. I just want to leave it up a little bit just to exchange some air. But yep. All right, guys. Okay, family, this is gonna be the last clip of the greenhouse. Last clip. And we use the rocks to hold it down, y'all. But let's check the thermostat. This morning, it was so cold. It was frosty. It took 20 minutes for the truck to unthaw, defrost. Let's see. Okay, 45% humidity, 91 degrees. Everybody is in there flourishing. Everybody is in there flourishing. So far, I am in love with it. It is doing its job. So, it's a plus. I'm sorry I could not get the build content for you guys. Like I said, I've been down for about going on 2 weeks now. So, sorry about that, but if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave those questions in the comment section, and I will get those answers to you. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Blessings to you all.